At Socket, we believe the best way to grow is through our community. As a thank you for spreading the word, our referral program rewards both you and the person you refer with 1 month free subscription in Socket. For the new user, you get a month discounted off your subscription fee as soon as you've set up a paid subscription. For the referrer, you get a month discounted off your subscription fee, including any add-ons, once the person you've referred has completed their first full month as a paid subscriber. To find your unique code, first navigate to Practice Settings. Within Practice Settings, scroll down to the Referral Program tab. This will display your unique referral code. To ensure that we apply the credit correctly, please let us know when you've referred somebody. Just email support@usesocket.com or message us through the support chat. If you've been given a referral code when signing up for Socket, enter your company details and then use the Have a Referral Code option. Enter the unique code you've been given by one of our Socket customers. You can keep track of how many times your code has been used by visiting your referral screen, and any uses will be displayed here underneath your referral code. A few things to remember. Referrers only become eligible for the reward after their referral has been a paying subscriber for at least a month. Your free month covers your entire monthly subscription, including any active add-ons. All referral code uses are checked manually by the Socket team to ensure everything is in order. Contact our support chat or support@usesocket.com with any questions.